Okay, I'm back. Had to go to the store to get some nuts because these things are seized on there pretty dang good, so I'm not even wasting my time on them. But 8mm by 1.25 is what the nuts are. I wanted to show you guys. I went ahead and took this off. Get this stuff out of the way. That's the inside of one of these, just in case somebody wants to know. That's the inside of the cap. Spring goes like that. Stick that in there like that. Hold on a second, let me get better. So you run that little deal, and then it does that. But I'm going to leave it out until after I bleed it. Spring comes out. Inside that. So for now, I'm just going to leave this on here loose until I get that. Let's see if I've done good. Yep, running down there. Okay, so 8mm by 1.25 is what these nuts are. Sucks. Alright, right back. I got it set in place. Put some anti-seize on these studs. And just keep it from doing what it did last time. Ugh. Got brake fluid dropping on me. I also put some anti-seize on the back side of the RABS unit, the side that will touch the frame, just to keep any rust, corrosion build up in between it and the frame, causing rust later on. Got something dripping over there, I don't know what it is. It's way far back, I don't know. Anyway, let me pop.